These dish towels work really great to wipe down your counters, to wash dishes, or to clean up spills. They can pretty much reduce or eliminate the use of disposable paper towels in your kitchen, which is a really great thing that we can all be doing to help out our environment. I love that they come in all of these pretty vintage looking designs. The different designs are strawberries, blueberries, cherries, oranges, avocados, or lemons. They have a little bit of a texture on the back which can help you kind of scrub and pick up crumbs while you're wiping down. When they're dry, they are flat and very easy to store, but when you wet them, they become soft and pliable. They can hold and absorb lots of water, so that's why they work really well to clean up spills or wipe down your counters. And then when it gets dirty, you can either just rinse it really well to clean off the crumbs and things, or when it is time for a deeper clean, you can either put it in the washing machine or you can even just throw it in your dishwasher to clean and disinfect it. These are super handy to have around the kitchen, so I highly recommend them.